Getuigenschat! Tijdens saluut! Present! Uit! Getuigenschat! Shoulder! Uit! Getuigenschat! Adem! Uit!
Ula. Your Excellency, it's a true honor to be here with you today to present the letters of credence from His Majesty the King of the Netherlands, addressed to you, accrediting me as his ambassador extraordinary and plenipotentiary, as well as to the Republic of Fiji, as well as the recall letter of my predecessor, Ambassador Mira Wolberg. Also, His Majesty the King has asked me to share with you his best wishes for your country and the people.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive the credentials. I welcome you mostly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to the King, the government, and the people of the Kingdom of the Netherlands our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace, and prosperity. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Yes. There we go.